Okay, so I thought that it would be a lot easier to explain this to you through a video rather than trying to type this all up in an email. So basically, when you have your set, you have like a whole bunch of different activities that you can do here with that set. So at the start of class, what you can do is go over the flashcards again super quickly. Don't need to give like a huge explanation. Just like show that with the picture, say it out loud, go through all of them. Once you do that, then one activity that you can do is if you click here where it says learn, and what it'll do is like it'll pop up the definition and the picture, and here are the words, the vocab, and then you just explain to them like, okay, what you have to do is put the answer in the chat, or like what word do you think it is, 1, 2, 3, or 4, and then you just keep going and do that, see how they do like overall. So that's one thing you can do. Another one, like you could play match. However, you already have this in the Nearpod, so I don't think you would want to do it again. But this one is a little bit cooler because it's timed. So you could also have them work this time rather than individually as a class, where it's like, all right, let's see how long it takes us to pair the words with their definition as a class. Work together to do this. And then they might be hesitant at first to do it like that, like to just speak out. So maybe you might want to call on somebody, be like, oh, DJ, it's your turn. Which two do you pick? And then if they don't know, then you could be like, all right, like you can get help from your classmates. Like classmates, help them out. I've done this like twice in that way, where it's like I'll call on somebody, but then I'll tell them like, you can get help. People, you can help him. And usually it works where they will participate. But yeah, so it's like you just drag it to the word like that, and it'll tell you if it's wrong or right. So yeah, those are two things you can do on Quizlet before doing the Nearpod. And yeah, and then that way too, you don't have to spend too much time giving definitions of the words in Nearpod as well. Like you can just go over the sentences, sentence examples, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like it'll make it a little bit more simple. And then you can do that with chapter 3 and I think also chapter 2. So that's just one way we can do vocab for tomorrow if you are interested. That's it.